Alright. So, I've been doing some pickles out here. These are quick pickles, no water bath or anything like that. I've noticed a couple things about these pickles. They are seedy. So, probably not going to make the best pickles, but we're going to try it. So, with these pickles, I'm going to put some things I like into them. And there's garlic. And then, remember those Itoy onions? We're going to put some Itoy onions in there. Those are always good. And I'm going to do a couple other things. I'm going to put a couple peppercorns in here. And I'm going to put a little dill. And I'll put a little extra dill in there. Usually I grow my own dill, but this year I didn't. And then I've got these. These are chiltepines. I'm going to put some chiltepines in there. Just a few. Actually a lot. So we got those. I've got these cucumbers I cut out of my wicking bed all ready to go. They're very seedy, so that's kind of a bummer, but that's life. Shake them down. We got them all. Get them all in here. Alright, there's a little onion left. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our salt brine. It's actually a brine. This is 1 cup water, 1 cup vinegar, and for every 1 cup water and 1 cup vinegar, you put a tablespoon of salt in there. We're going to fill this up. There it is. I'm going to put a lid on this. Now, the difference between quick and water bath ones is exactly that. These are quick. I'm not water bathing them. The wife likes spears, so I'm going to give her some spears. And it sounds like a helicopter bombing mission. More or less, the water bath ones can stay on the shelf. These are going to go in the refrigerator. They're going to stay there, and they're going to. I can eat this whole jar in one day. More or less, that's how water baths you can store, and quick ones stay in the refrigerator. But this has been Aaron at Booyah Farms, and hopefully these are good pickles. We'll see.